Hello, darkness, my old friend. Welcome to the scene of a crime and a shoddy cover-up. The victim? My dining table. The perpetrator? A severely sleep-deprived, overly zealous madwoman.
These are the things that come into my mind when I can't sleep at night.
The crime? Something so shameful, she did a rush job to cover it up, hoping no one would ever know. The weapon? Let's see if you can guess. Take a closer look. Nope, not that. Not that either. Nope, but getting warmer. Look closely. How about I give you a hint? Do you see it now? She can't believe she did that and hides her head in shame. Now, it's time for justice. Yeah! And, I'm gonna properly refinish this table. That was probably anticlimactic.
Oh, look, a clue. Nope. That's not the right side, is it? Does this magnifying glass actually work? Yes, it does. Now we can Google. Pretty sure it's all wood. Yeah.
And there it is. And yes, it is indeed all wood. And it also sold for $300.
Alright, enough silliness. Now it's time to get to work.
This is my favorite discovery. Easy off oven spray. Spray it on, wait 20 to 30 minutes, and then paint comes right off.
Oh my god, see what I mean? See what I mean? It's so easy. Man, there are many layers of paint on this table. I think I'm only responsible for one or two. And I use chalk paint, so this is definitely mine. Yum. Yummy. It almost looks like dough. It's not. Don't eat it.
Legally required PSA. Yeah, there were several layers of paint on this top part. So this took me many rounds and 2 days. I actually ran out of Easy Off, had to go get some more. Had to actually use the heavy duty kind the second round. I will say it seemed to work better, but it does have a really toxic smell. I did wear a mask. And I had as much ventilation as possible, but yeah, if you're in a small enclosed space, I like the no fume one. Well, well, well. Look what we have here. Now you can see it. There it is. The body that she tried to hide. Da, da, da. Like, I don't know how many layers are on this, but I swear I've gone through 6. And I'm only responsible for a few of them, so. But, behold. Wood. Wipe off the remaining gooey slime, and then for the pedestal, I mostly did just have to spray and wipe. Let's try that again. Ta-da! Tomorrow we're gonna do a bit of sanding. Not a whole lot, just some edges. Like around in there. Did I get all of the paint out? Not quite, but super close. There's a few spots here and there. Some of it might come up with some sanding, we'll see. And there. And then I was standing back looking at it, and this spot right here. Let's try from this side. Yeah, I think that's the crime scene, you guys. I think that's where I burned it. Whoopsie. Look at my table. Look at this beautiful, beautiful wood. Yeah, and once again, I'm a mess. My floor is a mess. Can you see? How's my butt? There? Oh, yeah. You're welcome, internet. I mean, are you having fun if you're not covered in paint or dirt? I think not. You're not living life to your full potential. Be a mess. I tried something new for the first time, a stain pen. I've never used these before, but everybody seems to love them. I thought it was fine. It worked pretty good in the cracks and around the edges. I don't think it blended perfectly, and I only had 2 options that even looked close. For the pedestal, I used a Latex semi-gloss Swiss coffee. It's literally the paint for my kitchen walls. Now to the tabletop. This is the Waverly antique wax that I used on my desk. I love this stuff. You put it on, wait a little while, wipe off the excess, and then I ended up doing a second coat because I really liked how it looked when it was darker. And it actually did an excellent job of blending everything. It really helped blend that stain into the original stain, I guess. The end of another day. I'm tired, but it looks really good so far. Yeah. I wasn't too thrilled with the stain pens. I mean, they did fine for like the nicks and stuff. They got in deeper, but ultimately I still like the wax better. Anyways, I think it looks great. I, however, am a mess. Now I got it on my boobs, as you should. I'm just gonna keep wearing this until the end so that we can really appreciate how messy things got. Look. Here it is. Finally, down to the very last step. We just have to clear coat the top of this baby. I'm so excited to be finished. Let's do this. All right. This is what I like to use on the top. Wax on, wait 2 minutes, wax off. Wax on, wait 2 minutes, wax off. That is literally the process. I love this stuff. I guess we do an outfit check. you know, to determine just how messy it was. Oh, my lighting is, yeah, there we go. There you go. It's pretty messy. Pretty messy. Oh, hold on, there we go. Let's do it this way. Get the light in there. Woo. So here it is, the outfit check. How messy did we get? Pretty messy. Oh, I think I just got some more on my butt. I tapped the table. Good job. Good job. And there it is. All that remains of the crime. Shh, no one will ever know. Not too bad. And at last, justice is served. And it looks so good. Well, well, well. What have we here? It looks like it's time to paint a wall. I see myself out.